Welcome to our daily discussion on structural and grammatical accuracy in English writing. In the last session, we discussed 5 pairs of confusables, that is, pairs of words often confusing because of their similarities in spelling and pronunciation. Today, you will learn 5 more pairs of confusables, know their meanings, and also see how to use them correctly in sentences. Here are the 5 pairs of confusables: ensure, insure, biannual, biennial, loose, loose, human, humane, moral, moral. Let's discuss each pair one by one. Ensure, insure. Ensure means guarantee or to make sure, to make certain. Insure means to take out a policy or to provide a policy to safeguard somebody or something from a probable risk. Let's see how these words can be used in sentences. Call the customer care number and ensure that the technician will come today evening to fix the problem. Now, insure. I am glad to know that all your family members are insured and protected against potential risks in future. The next pair. Biannual and biennial. Biannual means happening twice a year. That is, happening every 6 months. Biennial means happening once in 2 years. Let's see how these words can be used in a sentence. In the last faculty meeting, it was proposed to organize biannual national conferences and biennial international conferences. That means national conferences will be held once in 6 months and international conference will be held once in 2 years. The next pair. Loose and loose. Loose, as you know, means free from fastening, to unfasten something, to make less tight. Loose means not have what one possessed previously or early. Lose your belt a while until your stomach feels all right. That means the listener is probably feeling stomach pain, so he is advised to lose his belt. Next one. Never lose your equanimity. Equanimity means balance of mind. Never lose your equanimity when you face hardships in life. The next pair. Human and humane. Human means pertaining to, that is relating to and having the nature of people, humans. Humane means having compassion or sympathy for the suffering and the distressed. Let's see how they are used in sentences. It's a sad fact that many self-opinionated people are more beastly than human in their actions. That means they are inhuman. Next sentence. Using humane. Real humans empathize with lives in distress and give humane treatment as best they can. The next pair. Moral and moral. Moral means relating to principles of right conduct or the sense of right and wrong. Moral means mental condition, that is cheerfulness, attitude to job or life, optimism, etc. Mental condition in the face of struggle or hardships. Let's see how they are used in sentences. Peace and happiness prevail in families and societies that are governed by strong moral principles. Morale. Steps have to be taken to boost the morale of the employees working without any sense of job security. Since you have seen the meanings of the words and their correct usage, you can now see why the words used in the following sentences are incorrect. Replace the incorrect words with the correct ones. I will read the sentences quickly for you. Who is the proposer and who is the insured person in this policy? We have entered into a biennial maintenance contract. The mechanic will check and clean the machine every 6 months. If you live a loose life now and fritter away your energies, you will have to lose your health and peace in your advanced years. The assistance and support coming from all quarters to help the needy reveals the people's human nature all the more. Keeping up the morale of the employees at all levels is important to achieve the goals of the company. Your professional success depends on how consistently and diligently you carry out your duties without losing hope. Since you have used the correct words according to their meanings, you can practice writing your own sentences using each of these confusables. More and more practice will help you use them correctly when you have to use them. We will see the next five confusables tomorrow. Bye.